the arts have a very powerful way of impacting our lives. Whether you are somebody who is an artist who creates, who takes the materials, or if you think of the arts across the board, or whether you're somebody who will go into a museum or a gallery and look at a piece of art, or that you enjoy it in your home. So I think that all of the people who interact with it on different levels get something from it. So you might find, say, I guess people who say come to the Caribbean and buy the kind of the art that is, you know, seascapes, landscapes, beach scenes, you're actually taking a piece of your holiday back home with you, and it's a memory. You look at it and you remember your time.